Hi, boys and girls. We have made a rain in a jar this week. We've made a cloud in a jar. Today we're going to make tornado in a jar. We're continuing our study about weather. First, we're going to start with a couple stories about wind. The first one is called Wind, written by Marion Dane Bauer, illustrated by John Wallace. Thank you, Scholastic, for your permission to read your books. Both of these books are by Scholastic. The earth we live on is a spinning ball. When the earth spins, the air around it moves too. When air moves, we call it wind. As the sun heats the air grows lighter. Light air rises. Cool air is heavy. It falls. Cool air and warm air are always trading places. We call this movement wind. Birds use wind to help them fly. Plants use wind to carry their seeds. We use wind to fly kites, to sail boats, and to turn windmills. Wind moves clouds, wind makes waves, it even makes trees bend. When the hot air is very light and the cold air is very heavy, wind can blow up a storm. Sometimes wind spins like a puppy chasing its tail. A small spin makes a dust devil or a water spout. A strong spin makes a tornado or a hurricane. Wind can be scary, or it can sing a gentle song. Wind is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can only see what wind does. Our next story is called Tornadoes. It's by Justin McCoy Martin, and both of these are nonfiction. They give us facts, but this one actually has some real pictures. The print's a little tinier, so I will read it and then show you the pictures. Some tornadoes stay up in the air. Some tornadoes touch the ground. A tornado is a windstorm that spins like a top. Watch out, there is a tornado. Most tornadoes are shaped like an elephant's trunk. Watch out, there is a skinny tornado. A tornado sounds like a speeding train. Watch out, there is a fat tornado. Why does a tornado look dark? It picks up dust from the ground and spins it around. Watch out, there is a tornado in the country. Most tornadoes in the United States happen between March and August. Watch out, there's a tornado in the city. Watch out, there's a tornado in the desert. This kind of tornado is called a dust devil. Watch out, there's a tornado on the water. This kind of tornado is called a water spout. There are about 800 tornadoes in the United States each year. Watch out, this is what a tornado does to a tree. Watch out, this is what a tornado does to a car. When a tornado hits, the safest place for you to be is in a basement, away from windows. Watch out, this is what a tornado does to a house. Most tornadoes only last a few minutes. Good news, the tornado is over. So let's make a tornado in our jar. So we have a jar here, and I have some water. I'm going to pour the water close to the top, and we'll leave a little room at the top. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of dish soap. And I'm going to put some sprinkles in here to be the objects that the tornado is going to pick up and swirl around so you can see it a little better. You could use any kind of thing. You could use some small Legos, some glitter. So I'm going to use some sprinkles here. Now I want to put the lid on tight, and I'm going to spin my jar. When I spin the jar, it's going to create the vortex in the center. As the water spins, that centrifugal force causes the water to spin around, and that vortex will make a mini tornado. So let's go ahead and get it started. See if our tornado can get started in the jar and pick up some of the things in here. And if you watch carefully, you can see the small tornado probably my glitter would have worked a little bit better, but I didn't have any glitter at home to kind of pick up some of this. It would have been a little bit lighter, but you can see that tornado forming from the force in our jar.